How many brothers did the Babur have? Answer. The Babur had 6 brothers. Why was the Sultan in a hurry? Answer. Sultan was in a hurry because he had invited a few friends to a feast at noon. Why did the Babur take so long to shave the Sultan? Answer. The Babur took so long to shave the Sultan because he continued talking and wasting time. Right, true or false? The Babur was shaving the Sultan's beard. Answer. False. The Sultan gave him 3 gold coins. Answer. True. The Babur refused to leave the Sultan's palace. Answer. True. There were 7 brothers altogether in the Sultan's family. Answer. False. Did the Sultan enjoy the Babur's talk? Why do you say so? Answer. The Sultan did not enjoy Babur's talk. He was losing his patience. He wanted to get rid of him. Which part of the story did you find the funniest? Answer. All the story was funny, but I find the last part of the story funniest, where the Babur had all the food the Sultan had ordered for the feast. What are the things that Sultan gave to the Babur? Answer. Sultan gave 3 pieces of gold, all the food and fruits for the dinner. Do you think the Sultan was really very generous? Why do you say so? Answer. No, I don't think the Sultan was generous. He gave all the food to the Babur because his head was half shaved. This was because he was at the mercy of the Babur. Fill in the blanks by adding un, im, or dis to the words given below. Tidy, tidy, patient, patient, kind, kind, like, able, able, appear, appear, possible, possible. The teacher got upset with Rani because her work was untidy. Answer. Untidy. The dog was unable to climb the tree to chase the cat. Answer. Unable. I dislike hot milk. I like it cold. Answer. Dislike. It is impossible to cross the road during peak traffic hours. Answer. Impossible. The magician waved his magic wand and made the rabbit disappear. Answer. Disappear. The passengers became impatient when the train was late again. Answer. Impatient. It is very unkind to make fun of another person's
Notice the highlightness.
Words in the sentence given
unkind.
below. You ordered me to come, so I will not quit your house till I have shaved you. While he was shaving me, he could not stop talking. Now use the joining words given in the box to fill in the blanks. If, or, till, where, unless, so, while. Please wait with me till the bus arrives. Answer. Till. Do you like football or cricket? Answer. Or. My father packed my lunch while my mother combed my hair. Answer. While. We will reach on time if we go by the car? Answer: if. Your speech cannot be heard by the audience unless you use a powerful mic. Unless. It was a beautiful day, so they decided to go for a picnic. Answer: so. We went to the zoo where we saw many animals. Answer: where?